Would you believe that this full app you're looking at, with every feature, every button, and even built-in subscription payments, was created in just 5 minutes using AI? I know it sounds unbelievable, but it's real. These days, everyone keeps asking the same question: is artificial intelligence going to eliminate jobs? And the truth is, yes, but not in the way most people imagine. Jobs don't disappear. The way we do them changes, and the people who refuse to work with new tools are the ones who fall behind. That's exactly why, on the AI Border channel, I'm introducing one practical AI tool every single day. Tools that actually work and can make your job faster, easier, and much more profitable. And today, continuing this series, I built my very first money-making app. Without writing a single line of code, I literally typed one sentence. And Replit handled everything on its own, from the UI to database logic, and even the Stripe subscription system. The whole process shocked me so much that I had to share the experience with you from start to finish. This question has probably come up repeatedly for many of us. Is it actually possible to build a real online business without any programming knowledge? For years, such a thing seemed impossible, but today I decided to test it personally. I had a simple idea: building a small tool that rewrites users' texts, and the professional version of it would only activate for people who have paid for their subscription. On the surface, it was a simple idea, but my goal was to see whether I could create a real sellable product in just a few minutes or not. When I entered Replit, the first thing that caught my attention was that its interface felt exactly like an empty workspace, waiting for me to write my idea on it. I opened the agent, and the only sentence I wrote was, "Build me a software for organizing daily planning along with checklists and scoring." That single sentence was enough for Replit to automatically generate the initial structure of the app. The necessary pages were created, the buttons were built, the logic was added, and even the free and pro versions were separated from each other. There was no need for me to explain anything. The system understood exactly what my goal was. In a very short amount of time, the initial application appeared right in front of my eyes. I could enter text, receive the optimized version, access the pro section, and clearly see that all these features were created based solely on that one sentence. This stage was a turning point for me because I realized that Replit is not just a tool. It works much more advanced than a normal tool. But the most exciting and unexpected part happened when I wanted to monetize my app. To activate the professional version, I asked the agent to add a Stripe subscription payment system. I expected to go through at least several complex steps, but what happened was completely the opposite of what I imagined. Replit connected the payment system to my app without needing any technical setup, without entering an API key, without registering on the Stripe dashboard, and without even a single additional click. Within seconds, the subscription model was created, the payment page was designed, the test environment was activated, and everything was ready. This experience completely changed the way I see things, because in my opinion, this video is no longer just for programmers, it's actually for anyone who wants to earn smart income. If you have an idea today but think that building a real product requires complicated skills and years of learning, Replit proves the opposite. On this platform, you simply state your idea and the rest of the path gets built automatically. From app structure to interface design, from database connection to launching payments, everything happens in one place, which means you can go from idea to product and from product to income in just a few minutes. If you want to build an app, a website, or any digital tool, even if you have never written a single line of code, you can start using this tool right now, exactly like the example I showed. Edit your results step by step and reach the final product you want. The link is placed in the video description. Start with a small idea, and your first income might arrive much sooner than you imagine. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and leave a comment, because I'll be giving away the paid account of this tool to 2 of you.